Hello everyone. This is the third part of the chapter 1.2, An Encounter of a Special Kind. In our earlier video we have seen that there was a male langur who was trying to kill a baby langur, and the writer tried to escape him, and he got somewhere success. He escaped the baby langur from the male langur and even from the gully dogs, and kept him into his backyard, and there he gave him first aid, and thereafter he offered him peeled banana. And then at the same time the mother of baby langur was watching all this thing, and she was now convinced that the baby langur is into the secured hands. What happened thereafter? Let us see. Immediately the mother descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. She gave the baby a thorough body inspection to check his injuries, and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom. The baby found great solace in her caring arms. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. It was almost as if she was pondering over her options and trying to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from further assault. For a few seconds the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. Even today I cannot forget that look in her eyes, showering silent gratitude on me for saving her child. I was overwhelmed by the emotion and the sentiments and the way that she said thanks to me. There sat a universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. What happened next? The mother langur immediately picked up her baby into her arms, and she inspected her body of the baby langur because she wanted to know about the injuries about the baby langur. And the baby became too much relaxed that now the baby was into her mother's bosom and caring arms. After few seconds the mother langur looked to the writer's eyes, and writer is telling that it was a very amazing time with him, because he is still remembering that moment when the mother langur was looking into his eyes, and she was trying to convey the thank to the writer. And the mother was also thinking that how she can pick her baby safely from that condition, and how she can save the baby with next assaults. And the writer came to know that the emotion of the mother, what she wanted to convey through the eyes to thank the writer, while both the species are unable to talk with each other through words. Then in a flash she jumped with her baby clinging to her belly and reached our kitchen roof. She surveyed the area for the vicious male langur and then leaped away in the direction opposite to the place of the violent encounter. What happened then? Then she jumped holding the baby with her, and she watched all over the area whether the male langur was there. But when she got the information that he was not there at that time, then she chosen the opposite direction where the horrible encounter took place. The brief meeting with the mother and the baby langur convinced me that interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship hums into action. The mother langur showed me that food was not the only means to communication between man and animal, but that there were other means of establishing a bond through trust, compassion, and mutual understanding. 55 years have passed since that day. I am now 70 years old, but I still fondly remember that encounter of a special kind. So, my dear friend, the chapter shows us that the incident happened there before 55 years, but its impact is still into the writer's mind, while he was completely influenced by that incident because of the interspecies communication. And that incident proved to the writer that there is food is not only the means of relationship between animals and the man, but there are many more emotions which are playing role of bonding both the animals and the mans. So it was a special kind of encounter which deals that interspecies communication can take place due to emotions. Only the foods are not essential between them. So I hope all of you got the moral of the chapter, and now you will be animal lover also. I hope that, and thank you so much.